This is Zhongfang Red Cross International Hospital. This is Dr. Pan. This is Dr. Joy. This is Sami.
Sami Al-Madani. Abdul Rahman Al-Madani. Myself.
They come to our hospital for some problem. The boy has already suffered from the psoriasis for almost 9 years already. The problem is quite serious. He is hands and feet. The color of the skin changed very bad. He went to many places, asked for the treatment, but no result. They stayed with me for almost 2 months. I think the result of the treatment is perfect. And this Mr. Sami can introduce her son's syndromes and the result of the treatment to
Well, actually, after suffering for this about 10 years, almost 10 years, with my son psoriasis, I've been going, I tried everywhere to, have a treatment for him for this problem. All of it in the end, did not come with a good result or the result we were supposed to have or expected. But after we came here, which is I was checking all around the world in the website, trying to find the good treatment for him. I heard before so many times, we heard about the traditional Chinese, treatment. So I went to the website and I started checking. I found, the website for TCM treatment, which is in the Hong Kong Red Cross International Hospital. I read about it. I took some time, until I checked everything about the herbal, about the way of the treatment, and what I read, it was amazing. I said, if this is what we are going to find, I believe that this is the best, for him. And it was true, When we came here, he was in a bad condition, and now we have only 1 day left, and his condition is to the best, inshallah, he's about 80%, cured the problem. At the same time, when we came here, his mother, my wife, came with us. We came, with him, but she was suffering from, problems too. And we said, we are here, so let's even, try, this treatment. So she started having the treatment, and for her condition, it was amazing what happens to her. She's almost 90% better than before. Of course, first when we came here, before we come, I was contacting Dr. Meng, and when we came here, we met Dr. Meng, and he checked the conditions for both of them, and Then he started, the treatment. And next day, Dr. Joy started with them, both of them, with my wife and my son. And we got an amazing result. So it was not a surprise, for Chinese medicine, because we know, most of the world knows that, for 100 years, the traditional Chinese medicine is something different. They don't use chemicals or whatever. They only use herbs and all natural things. So it is amazing. And I saw some other patient here in the hospital. I was really surprised. Different kind of diseases. And people, my wife, maybe she's for 22 or 24 years old suffering from her problem. She's now a lot better, she's okay. I saw some people having problem with kidneys, with cancer, with, it's really amazing. So I could say that TCM is really something we need. Everybody needs in the whole world. But I don't know why. Chinese only keeping it for themselves.
You can learn that. Actually, we have already opened our mind. We can teach all the people, all of the
Oh yeah, I already seen, there is so many, I'm talking about my my people, my country. I saw a lot of people there learning acupuncture, that's the part of the traditional, the TCM. But the herbs, no, I did not see. But I saw so many even people from everywhere, from our country, from other countries, from all around the world. I saw here, some trainees, and everybody wants to learn that. And you've been, I believe you've been a good teacher to them, I believe that you've been a good teacher to them. It's amazing. It's amazing. I was talking with you and Dr. Meng yesterday, and I told Dr. Meng I will leave my number, I will leave my email address for anybody who wants to contact me to know, what happened with my son, my wife. Because this is really has to be known to everybody.
I think why your wife and your son have so wonderful treatment, the result of the treatment. Has already have a relation with so long time, more than 4,000 years experience. So we have a rich experiments to give people treatment in any area, in any field, not just for the cirrhosis, like you say, the hypertension, diabetes, and even the ladies' problem, the men's problems, the kids' problem. Some people come here for the epilepsy, any kind of disease. You can give me the lab, I can give them the treatment.
Yes. The most important, in what's happening is that the patient only has to give, exact detail
You are right.
for their problem, and the rest that the doctors will take care of.
Okay. So, how about your son himself? If he want to have something.
The height of the gula and out of the palms,
بس يعني دي كان شيء أنا جلسيش فقط عشان
He's saying, thanks God that he feels the difference. Before, he cannot walk, he cannot run, he cannot jump, he cannot do even exercises because, it's in the foot, and because it was bleeding, and causing him a lot of pain. But now he's walking, he goes to the garden, he do exercises, and all these things. He's so happy that he's getting better.
I think another thing is also very important because of the treatment. Before the good result of treatment, they almost know something of himself. They worry about so much, don't want to make friends with some other people.
This is this problem actually because see, when you says 4 years old, okay, it's in his hand and his foot. He cannot play with other children normal. He cannot, and as a children's they start making jokes. They don't understand, his friends, was making joke with him, for his hand. He's always keeping his hand, like this, and he doesn't want to talk to anybody, And after he came here, and he started actually to realize that this is the life, this is the natural life. Most of the people, they get sick, and then they take medicine, they be good, Whatever happens, it's nothing to be ashamed of.
Of course, I think when the problem finished, it gave him a lot of.
Yeah. Now he's different, Now he's making, friendship with Dr. Joy, with Dr. Bing, he's roaming around. He talk with the guys. It's okay. There is no people, no children his age, but still, he's making friends. He's getting different, even inside him. Now he's different from before.
So that means his body today is healthy, and also his heart.
His heart. Exactly.
Also healthy, much better than before.
Yes, that's true. That's true. That's I was talking with my wife, and we were talking about Chinese medicine. She said, "What is that for a long time?" I told her, "Well, it is there for a long time, but our problem that we don't know where to go, which place, which hospital, which doctors, until I got that in the website. The problem in the website, most of our people, they don't know about it. The people does not. There is, some people, they don't know the English. So even if they pass by the website, they will not understand. So they will leave it and go try to find, an Arabic site. So, but really, I would like to say to everybody, anybody is suffering from disease, whatever, what kind is it, doesn't matter. Here they can come and get a good treatment. And I would like to say it in Arabic too. بصراحة يعني أحب إني الإحساس اللي كنت أحسه أنا كأب، إحساس والدي يعني مرضي يعني طبعا هو عنده الصدفية ما خليت مكان، ما رحت له، رحت هنا وجيت وسويت وعملت كل المحاولات سويناها، لكن للأسف بدون نتيجة. الآن أنا جيت هنا يعني في خلال شهرين ما شاء الله تبارك الله الحالة عند ولدي يعني الشفاء بإذن الله تعالى وصل إلى 80% الآن. طبعا لسه احنا هناخد معانا نرجع هناخد معانا برضه أعشاب اللي هو المشروب العلاج. زوجتي نفس الحاجة، يعني طبعا زوجتي مش صدفية، عندها مشاكل التهابات أعصاب آلام مزمنة في الرقبة، في الكتف، في الظهر، عندها مشكلة في الكلى كانت سنين طويلة. الآن هي وصلت تقريبا إلى 80-90% برضه وبرضه حتاخد معاها علاج عشان تكمل العلاج. احنا المشكلة المدة ما هي مساعدتنا عشان المدرسة بالنسبة للابن، لكن الطب الصيني ماله في الكيماويات، ماله في هذا، كله أعشاب، كل حاجة من الطبيعة، بالإضافة إلى الإبرة الصينية والمساج ويستخدموا نوع من أنواع الحجامة في نفس العلاج. أي إنسان عنده مشكلة يتواصل معهم، تمام، بس يقول لهم ايش مشكلته، واذا في عنده اي تقارير، اي تصوير، اي حاجه يرسلها لهم، حيردوا عليه اذا كان علاجه في له علاج او لا، وبعدين ممكن يرسلوا العلاج الشخص يجربه في مكانه في بيته، يعني يجربه لمده شهر، وبعد كده اذا كان لقى النتيجه وشغل هذا يقدر يجي يكمل. في مرضى من جميع الجنسيات موجودين في المستشفى، يعني حتى من اوروبا اللي هم يقولوا عليها دور الطب الحديث، يعني موجودين هنا، وكله بيطلع من هنا نفسيا وجسديا مرتاح ومبسوط، ويرجع لبلده وهو مرتاح. I know you don't understand what I was saying, but I'm really, I want to tell all the humanity, all the people around the world that, really, nobody needs to suffer anymore from, cure diseases or long-time diseases. They can come here and they will get the treatment thing, what they've been looking for a long time. They can find it here. And really, thank you for everything Dr. Wing, and well, Dr. Joy, she's giving the treatment to my wife. Thank you very much for everything you've done.
Actually, it's really very nice to meet you.
Thank you. It was my pleasure that meeting, and
Right.
as a father, the most important thing for me is my family. If my family are, healthy and happy, that's mean I am relaxed and happy.
Yes. That the father's heart. That is very good husband's heart.
Thank you.
Hook the hand. How about the food?
Do that.